I am Dr. C.L. Venkata Rao. Olive oil is very rarely used for cooking purposes, but olive oil is extremely good in health point of view for usage of cooking. This has got very important fatty acids and it increases the good cholesterol content and decreases the bad cholesterol. It also improves the function of the heart, and this olive oil, it does not allow deposition of cholesterol inside the blood vessels. It stimulates the functioning of the gut, increases the secretions of the bile juices, pancreatic juices and digestive enzymes, and also prevents constipation. It stimulates the gut. Not only that, it stimulates the brain and improves the memory power and also increases the sharpness of the brain. But the only setback, olive oil, traditionally we are not used to for the cooking purposes. But the only disadvantage with the olive oil is it is the cost. Cost is very high and it is 10 times higher than the regular cooking oils like the available in the market. If so, only affordable groups can think of using the olive oil for cooking purposes. This also increases the texture, shininess of the skin, and also olive oil usage improves the beauty of the young woman, and olive oil preparations are also used for cosmetic purposes. So, if a person can afford the best oil to be used for cooking purposes is olive oil, and it has got so many health benefits and improves the function of heart, gut, brain, and also it is very good in diabetic patients.